Hi, I'm Jennifer Lee with Serhant, and today I am so excited to bring you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to live in the Brooklyn Trust Company located in Brooklyn Heights. This special home is only one of 12 in this entire building, and it is the best one because it is the only duplex. It is 2,500 square feet. You have western exposure. You have grand skylights all throughout the top floor. And my client put her special touches all throughout this apartment, including renovating the kitchen, renovating all the bathrooms, and all throughout the apartment, you'll see all of her amazing touches. So come with me and let's take a look at this special home today.